Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. This is Car Connections. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, turn on your notification button. So I'm out here chilling in the sun and there's a special package that just came in the mail for me. Some of you guys are gonna be surprised by this and some of you guys are not, especially if you're a Mopar person. So some of you guys have been following the channel know that I also have, not only do I have the Durango Hellcat, but I also have a 2021 wide body Charger. And in one of my vlogs about maybe a month ago, I was whining around how is it that Dodge can still build a 2021 vehicle, not include standard LED lights inside the car. Well, come to my surprise, the Dodge Durango is a much more expensive car, guys, as you guys know. Almost $30,000 more, maybe even $40,000 more than my Scat Pack. And I think some of you guys already know where I'm heading, and that is that it doesn't come with LED lights in the interior. Blows my mind how, again, you know, we're in 2021 and we're still getting some cars produced by Dodge, especially something like a unicorn like the Dodge Durango, one of the top of the MOOC. No LED lights. I just found it amazingly surprised. So what we're gonna do today is I ordered some LED lights from Amazon. And I'm gonna go through the install process, try to get a before and after. So are familiar with LED lights in the interior, especially Dodge interior lights, come in with just this yellowish bulb or yellowish color that's not the greatest. And the LED lights brighten up the cabin, that makes everything look better. And I'm not sure if Dodge has some in the footwells or in the puddle area. I'll check. If they are, then I'll replace those as well. And I got the package right here and we're gonna go ahead and do the install real quick, okay? Stay tuned. One of the things I wanted to add real quick about this product, I'll make sure to put it on the Amazon link down below. That way you guys can see where I ordered it. And then I'm gonna tell you the supplies. Pretty much all you need is, you know, those things can get really, really hot. So one thing you can do is do it during the day where you roll down your windows. That way the doors are not open, the lights are not on, and they're cold, and you can kind of pull them out. A lot of people use needle noses, and that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some needle nose pliers. Be careful, if you squeeze too hard, you can break the glass, and that's not the intent, right? So another way you can do is maybe put a little rag over it, then go in there and pull it out. Do it bare. A lot of people like to do it without any rag, just kind of get it. You just have to be very, very careful not to, you know, break all the little glass particles all over your rig. And now you have to clean the rig. As you guys see, the Durango's not here. Wife's out picking up the kids from school. Maybe I'll catch a quick B-roll when she arrives. We'll see. I don't know. Before open up the package, these are the LEDs. As you guys can see, they're like different kind depending on where you're gonna install them. All right, needle noses are here. You're gonna need a little prying tool to get into the little every light bulb that you're removing within the cars have a little clip that sits on top of them to protect them. You want to remove those clips, typically with a small plastic pry tool, that way you're not breaking anything. All right, this right here uses this right up in here. You pop it open, you replace that LED, that bulb with the LEDs. And then up here, you go right up at the top front, pop it open it up. And then once you have it open, you go in there, grab them, pull down, replace with a new one. That's replaced. This is gonna be replaced. The ones up there are gonna be replaced, the rear back. Any lights in here. And there's a lighting over in the footwell too. That'll be replaced. That's it, time to get started. All right guys, so there you go, it's been removed. And as you guys see, you go from literally 1989 to the year 2020. Kind of crazy, huh? LEDs and the old school 1909 invented by, who was the inventor of the light bulb? I can't believe, was it Benjamin Franklin? I don't even remember, guys. Help me down in the comments below who invented the light bulb. Don't go on Google and searching this shit neither. Tell me who invented the light bulb, because whoever invented it, I bet you that boy did. So here you go, guys. I'm gonna give y'all a night shot as well, but this gives you kind of the idea of what it looks like. I changed this one hasn't been changed, but you can just see the difference in the quality of the light. Much brighter, Much better lighting in this, and at night it's really gonna be noticeable. You guys hear I'm on the rear seat. I'm about to install the ones above the rear seat. I already installed the front ones, but one thing I'm pretty surprised, there's no puddle lights. I thought the car, you know, when you open the doors like a puddle light, it doesn't exist in the Durango. Wow, didn't know that. That's crazy. One in the rear here, guys. I tried this pry tool, but it's not gonna work. It's too thick. What you gotta do is get something thinner, a real small flathead. I mean, like pretty small, and you come in at an angle like around here. You go in, and then you pull out and pops out to replace this right in the middle. There's the old school Thomas Edison light bulb. I think that's the guy's name. Beethoven, I don't know.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And then here's what it looks like. So when you're removing it again, you want to go in the corner with the small one. You can see what's really keeping it together is these clamps on the sides that kind of popping it in. It just pops right back in to that spot. Let me go ahead and replace it. And again, it doesn't do justice, guys, because I'm putting these on during the day, and the purpose I'm doing that way the lights can stay off while I'm trying to take them off. And at night, it's very difficult to see in here. So if I open it up, the door LED turns on. Again, very difficult to see, but trust me, guys. You can almost see a difference there too. This is the way it looks like underneath there, guys. Don't forget to remove this one. It's important. There it is, see? Just go right in the edge here and then pop her down and she'll pop right open. And I already removed the old one, and boy, she was burning. Done. You guys can see it. Very, very bright. Again, let's wait till nighttime to see the true view. I'll open it up at night so you guys can see exactly the big difference. Right, all those are done. As you guys see, I still need to do this one, but I did the ones in the front, this one. I did this one and did this one. And again, you just get this, you could use this. You pry it open, pop it open, you pull the whole thing out, install, replace the old one, put the new one, pop this back in, and then you're good. All right, we're gonna test it out. Again, everything's done. Everything I needed to do is done. And the way we're gonna test it is still bright outside, actually. The sun is still out, but I put my car in the garage, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna turn off the switch over there and see how it looks. And then I'm gonna open up all the doors, open up the rear hatch with the LEDs, and let's see if there's a huge difference, which I believe they will be for sure. Let's see, here we go. Let's see if it lights up. You can see the LEDs in there. You guys can know, I mean, there's a massive difference. I mean, the camera, it's hard to do justice on these things, but I mean, everything is so bright in here now. Like it's legit. You know what, let me close the door. Front headlights are off now. Look at the footwell light. That's the one we changed. That footwell light is a must to change. Change the rear. I mean, it is, I mean, you can see me, guys. I mean, look how nice and bright in here. It's no longer all yellow and crap. Uh-oh, they're off again. Look at that SRT logo. Sheesh. Hey. See? On both sides. She popping. All right, guys, you guys saw the finished product there. Again, anybody could do it. It takes about maybe 15-30 minutes. I'll make sure to add the product down below. So if anybody has a Durango or even a Jeep Grand Cherokee, based on my understanding, they all use the same parts. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and of course, always try to turn on your notification. As always, I appreciate the support. Peace.